Alright, fuck it. Let's do it.
Welcome back, cool kids, and today we're going to be talking about the sound design of our action series, The Chronicles of Jane, which is out now on our IG. So for the sound design of The Chronicles of Jane, what I did was do every single sound in post, so there was no production audio used. Through trial and error, this is just what I've done, and this is what I find gives me the best results, so I just wanted to share that with you. So for instance, the entire series is ADR'd. So we do record production sound in terms of scratch audio off the camera. And so I do reference the scratch audio. And for me, what I found is that it frees up a lot of time on set just to focus on your visuals. And when I first started doing it this way, it was very scary because you look at the timeline and it's just completely bare. Because what I used to do is try to record everything on set. So I used to try to get every sound on set, and I was trying to do these things, but I always found that the quality just was never where I wanted it. And then I would add sounds in post and, just like the normal thing, but the mixing of it was always so difficult because the biggest thing that you cut out is all the ambient sounds that you may get in your on-set recording. And mixing ambient sounds from all the recordings is always just really difficult. Or if someone comes in low on their line and you have to boost up the signal, then you're adding more ambient into it, and then you try to clean it up, and then it could make them sound robotic. And there's just so many issues that are solved if you just do it in post, but it takes longer. So you have to make sure your actors are aware of this. So I always tell them beforehand, hey, if you agree to do this project, just know that we will be doing ADR. We'll record scratch audio on set, but I will need you to come in and re-record your lines after. But I tell them, hey, this frees us up to really make sure that the action is really good, it makes sure that everything is done well, and it gives us more control. And the sounds I'm using are from sound libraries or from sound packs that I bought online, or they're sounds that I recorded on my own. Now, if you have a huge dialogue scene that you're shooting, you probably don't want to ADR the whole thing. But for the Chronicles of Jane, it worked because each character only had a few lines and it wasn't this long dialogue scene. So this is what I'm using for action, is what I'm saying. And if you're someone like me who wants to make a lot of films every year, a lot of shorts, or shoot their own feature, I decided, well, is there a way I could do it by myself without the need of hiring someone for this? So basically, if you can hire a sound guy, great. But if you want to shoot a lot of stuff but keep the quality up throughout every project, you have to come up with some system. And for me, this system works in terms of action because I don't have to worry about any sound. I don't have to go, oh, well, there's a truck, or there's this, or there's that, or there's a plane. I just shoot through the whole thing, and all I'm worried about is getting the visuals, getting all the beats down, and making sure I have enough for my edit. And then later on, I focus everything on sound, which for me gives me the best results. And like I said, it's very scary at first, but if you're a one-man band or you work with a small crew, this might just be the tip you need to take your action to the next level.